Hello, everyone. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes, and these are only my opinions. I just want to do an update on LGVN. I'm going to look at an hourly chart to see how you could have used this chart for a swing trade. Now, you've heard the term ride the winners and cut the losers. In my opinion, I think the 9 EMA is powerful because it helps you do just that. It's a momentum indicator. When a stock like LGVN is trending higher, the 9 EMA is a good indicator to use. Keep in mind, however, that size is extremely important here because this stock is very, very volatile and can wipe you out, especially when you're dealing with a low float. So you only want to trade with money you're okay to lose. Having said that, the 9 EMA, along with support and resistance levels, can help you with entry signals. To avoid getting stuck in consolidation zones, it helps when you draw support and resistance lines. For example, after we ran up on 1118, we consolidated the rest of the day. There was no entry signal. So we couldn't break above that upper trend line right here. The following day, we gapped up and consolidated the rest of the day again. And again, there was no entry signal. And again, we couldn't break above that upper part of the channel. On 1122, we finally broke out of the bull flag on high volume. So this would have been a nice entry here. The stock went from 1050 to a high of 2852 intraday. So you would have been able to capture this move right here. Keep in mind that not once did this price close below the 9 EMA, which tells you how strong the trend was at the time. And volume increased as the price went up throughout the day. Even though we closed below the 9 EMA on 1123 right here, we came out of this descending channel pattern reclaiming the 9 EMA with high volume. So you would have been able to capture this move right here from 1850 to a high of $34. And on Friday, we traded within this channel closing below the 9 EMA. So in my opinion, unless we break above the channel, I don't see a trade. I don't see an entry signal if you want to go long. Again, this is a very volatile stock, so you want to be very, very cautious. That's all I have for now. Just wanted to discuss the 9 EMA and how you can use it on an hourly chart. Please do your own due diligence. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.